Assalamu alaikum, كيف حالكم, kumusta? We are invited again for graduation of Doctor Care Training Center, American Caregiver Association, and this is the batch 11 and 12, alhamdulillah. Oh my God, dark. Ganda ng flower. And there are more than 100 students will graduate. I also study in the same school, and at my time of graduation, we are almost more than 80 students.
الله نور السماوات والأرض مثل نوره كمشكاة فيها مصباح المصباح في زجاجة الزجاجة كأنها كوكب دري.
Department, Mr. Ahmad Talat. Ahmad Atia Al-Bukini, Administrative Affairs. May I request you to confirm their completion.
Congratulations.
At this time, let us hear a motivation.
To the students, congratulations. God bless you, because now you are front of big responsibility. Now you are responsible to take care of patient and family in a home. That's very big responsibility. Congratulations, and thank you very much for all of it.
Confidentiality without exception. I will respect and promote your independence.
Devon Guru.
So marami nagtatanong kung pwede ba mag-aral ng isang Muslim dito. Of course, kahit ang isang hijabi daw or niqabi hindi ba sagabal sa pag-aaral ng caregiver? Hindi po, dahil ito ay para sa future mo, para din sa pamilya mo, na ikaw ay may kaunting kaalaman about sa medical na makakatulong din, inshallah.
Saan po kayo sa Pinas?
Basilan mo.
Mashallah. Kayo po?
Taga-Marawi.
Maranao. Kumusta naman ang pag-aaral? Okay, congratulations sa inyo lahat. Ingat po kayo. 97. Third award.
At the same time, Mercy Kwamboking again is our outstanding caregiver of Batch 11 American Caregiver Association.
At paalala ko lang, hindi porke may pamilya ka na o may anak ka pa, ay hindi ka na pwede mag-aral. Tulad nga na sinabi ko, never stop learning. Huwag na huwag kang titigil, hihinto sa pagsasaliksik ng kaalaman.
11 and 12.
This is also a great opportunity for you to give acknowledgement and thanks for your beloved instructors. If you want to say thank you to them, you can approach them.
So the Quick Pay came here and gave a free cup and bag and some pen. Thank you for Quick Pay Bank. So thank you, Dr. Care, for giving us another certificate. Going to the catering. Visitors? Oh, okay.
Ito si Mr. Ibrahim, ayan, isa sa mga pinakasikat dito sa Riyadh. Na-meet ko din talaga siya.
Million na, maniwala ko.
Ayan. So, Mr. napakabait. Wala akong masabi. Marunong siya magtagalog. Ano yan? Ay, grabe yan. Dala pa siya. Parehas pala tayo, ganyan din ako eh. May dala din siya. Meron ako.
Tingnan, na-save itong natatakpan eh. Kala nyo kayo lang.
Alam mo yung Saudi, marunong magtagalog, marunong pang mag-Sharon.
Thank you. Binigyan din tayo pang Sharon, no?
Sa inyo.
was leaving to find myself. No signs when you had to go. And I know it ain't pretty when the hearts get broke.